In today's video, we're going to go over Impact Mailing Club and how to earn a full-time income by working from home, mailing envelopes, and also postcards. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda Wray, and I've been working from home since 2016, earning a full-time income by participating in a direct mail opportunity. If you don't know what a direct mail opportunity is, it's basically a way for you to earn money by giving people the opportunity to resell leads, resources, and training materials that will allow you to take your business to the next level. So I'm with Impact Mailing Club, and what you get is a reseller's license that's going to allow you to earn unlimited payouts on 5 different levels. So we're going to talk about the levels, but first what I want you to do is to see some of the payments that I received in the mail. We're going to go over this and congratulate the people that joined. If you want to know more information about how to earn money from home and how to do it successfully, please subscribe to my channel to watch future videos, okay? So here I have an envelope that came in from a Michael. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So the different levels that they have that you can come in at is the emerald level, the ruby level, the sapphire, then you have the diamond and a double diamond. And right now we have a promotion that's going on that ends on the 17th of January. And whoever comes in at the diamond level is going to automatically get upgraded to the double diamond, okay? So if you're interested in earning on all levels, all you have to do is come in at the diamond level, and that's going to automatically get you upgraded, and then you'll have access to collect on all levels. So this came in from Michael, and he came in at the sapphire level. I received 2 books of stamps and also a $300 payment. So congratulations, Michael. Make sure to reach out to me for more information to get started, to get your cover letter done, and also your website. Because when you're sending out information, you want to make sure that you have those 2 things available. So when people have questions or they want to get more information or do research, they're able to do so. Here we have another package that came in from Stephen. Stephen is from North Carolina. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I always tell people, when you send in your packages, make sure to send it in priority and make sure to hold on to your tracking number. That's how we confirm the payments and make sure that everything is received in a timely fashion. Okay, so here we have, this person came in at, let's see here. This is Stephen. Stephen came in at the diamond level. And what I received here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books of stamps at the diamond level. And he wrapped the money up. Here's the cash, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000. Thanks so much, Stephen. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure to reach out to me for your cover letter and your website. We have another piece of mail that came in from Shamara, okay, from Georgia. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so what we're going to do is, after this, I'm going to talk about the different levels and how much it costs to join at each level. Here we have 2 books of stamps that came in from Shamara. She came in at the ruby level. Okay, she did not join me directly. She came in under a team member, and I received a total of $50. Okay. So what we have is the emerald level, which is a total of $100 and 2 books of stamps. The ruby level is a total of $250 and 4 books of stamps. Sapphire level is $500 and 4 books of stamps. And then you have the diamond level, which is $2,000 and 5 books of stamps. When you join any of these levels, you automatically receive the levels below it. So as an example, if you join the Sapphire level, you're going to be able to gain payouts at the Sapphire level, the Ruby level, and the Emerald level. Okay. So that's how it worked. And then now we have the Double Diamond level as well, which is a one-time $4,000 payment, and you're able to receive payout on every single level. It's 10 books of stamps. And right now, while the promotion is going on, you can get the Double Diamond for only $2,000. Okay, so that's how that works. Here we have a an envelope that came in from Virginia. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Happy holidays. Sent in a card. Thank you so much. This came in from Amber. Amber, this is for the Emerald level to the Ruby promotion. So I received a total of 1 book of stamps and a payment of $65. Thanks so much, Amber. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, then we have here a payment from Alabama, Mrs. or Mr. Neal. It says G. Neal from Alabama. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we have. Oh, actually, this is not a payment. This is someone sending me information about their program. Okay. So sometimes you'll get that in the mail as your information is out there, your P.O. box, you will start to get other people's information in the mail. So that's what that was. And I sometimes don't know until I actually open it up. And then we have another payment that came in. Here's the envelope. Let's see what this is. I think it's a payment. Okay, this came in from Charles from California. Okay, Charles from California. Let's see what we have here. Okay, Charles came in at the Emerald level. He joined someone else on my team, and I received a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Okay, so I just want to say congratulations for everyone who decided to join Impact Mailing Club over the last couple of months. Please make sure to get plugged in for training. Send me a request on Facebook if you are on my team to plug into the ongoing webinars that we're going to have. We actually started, but you'll be able to get the replays and also be a part of that. And it's going to give you just tips and tricks on how to earn consistently, the do's and don'ts, and how to really take this business to the next level. So here we're going to just count up everything that we have so far. Okay, so what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 14. And then we have 1435. So that's what we received in the mail. And then guys, the stamps, the reason why they come is so that your mailings could at some point be free. The more stamps you get, the more flyers you can send in the mail, and you won't have to pay for the postage. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 books of stamps in the mail. Okay. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Again, please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. If you want more information about this program, the information will be in the description box below. I'm looking to inspire people to start a home-based business like someone inspired me many years ago. I'm so happy and grateful for this experience, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great night.